Imagine coming home to spotless floors without lifting a finger. That's exactly what I expected from the Eufy C10 robot vacuum, given Eufy's reputation and my great experiences with their robots in the past. But I ran into an obstacle while I was testing, and you'll definitely want to hear about it before you buy. But first, let's talk about its features. 1. Powerful suction and edge cleaning. Let's start with what the Eufy nailed. The 4000 PA suction works very well. It picks up dust, pet hair, and even those annoying little crumbs that somehow always find their way under my couch. But what really sets it apart? The edge cleaning brush. Most robot vacuums struggle with edges and corners, but this one has an improved design on its side brush that really is much better at grabbing everything. 2. Slim design. Without the LiDAR bump that tops most robots, the C10 is short enough to fit under almost all my furniture, even the low clearance spots that gather dust for years. And let's be real, who actually moves their furniture to vacuum under it? Exactly. 3. Hands-free maintenance with an all-in-one station. Now, this is a fantastic upgrade over robots of the past. Instead of having to empty the dustbin after every run, the C10's all-in-one station collects everything into a vacuum bag that only needs changing every couple months. It's one of those features that you don't realize you need until after you have it. 4. Smart mapping and no-go zones. The Eufy app is excellent. It gives you a real-time map of where the vacuum's cleaned. You can set a regular cleaning schedule so it can go through its cycle when you're at work. You can customize the suction level depending on your needs, and you can set up no-go zones. So if you don't want it messing with your pet's water bowl or you have a place where you can't tuck away cords, you just block off that area in the app. Simple and effective. But here's the catch. Remember when I said I ran into a snag? Well, the C10 got stuck on a lot of things because it has minimal obstacle avoidance. So you'll need to make sure your floors are completely picked up, cords are tucked away, and no-go zones are set before running it. Is that a deal breaker? For me, no. The cleaning power and convenience outweigh the minor hassle. But if you're looking for something that dodges every single obstacle, there are better options. Final thoughts. Is it worth it? So should you buy the Eufy C10? If you want powerful suction, a smart app, and low maintenance cleaning, this is one of the best budget robot vacuums I've tried. Just make sure to pick up your floor first. If you want to check it out, there are links in the description. Subscribe for more honest product reviews.